What's up guys, thank you. So the JioPhone was a 4G feature phone powered by a Chaos sold by the Indian network operator Reliance Jio. It had a candy bar design with alphanumeric keys and a 2.4-inch color display. Last year it was followed by the JioPhone 2, which runs the same OS and same screen size but packs a physical QWERTY keyboard. News of the JioPhone 3 have surfaced and it is had to be a full touchscreen smartphone. According to a company executive that decided to remain anonymous, the next JioPhone will have a 5-inch touchscreen display, 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of expandable storage. The cameras will also be upgraded, a 5-megapixel rear shooter and a 2-megapixel front-facing camera. Hopefully there should be an LED flash for the rear camera and the battery should be bigger. The launch of the JioPhone 3 is reported to be in June, with pre-orders starting in July and sales in August. We are not sure yet, but Reliance Jio may offer an exchange program as it did for the JioPhone 2.